is, will Marc Marquez retire?
Right.
Because
is he done? Is he finished? Yeah.
I would have said before this season, after the shoulder injury initially, I would have said, no, for sure he's going to come back. The dude had his arm cut in half and he still came back, right?
But I've been saying the opposite. I've been saying that last year might be the last year of Marc Marquez because of that injury.
I don't know that this year is like, I am not 100% certain that he will actually have a 2027 contract at this rate.
And it's like, not that nobody wants him, but does he
all want him?
Right. That he's finished. Like he came back, he proved the unprovable. The guy is awesome.
Yeah.
Like no disrespect for the man.
Yeah.
And it's like, does he need more money? Do you know what I mean? Like he could come back as like, I'm done. I'm going to like be a team lead, or I'm going to start my school, or whatever he wants to do.
In my opinion right now, if you could say, hey, Mark, here's the deal. If you sign this paper over here, you're going to win the 2026 World Championship and get your 10th World Championship. You'll unequivocally have beaten Rossi at this point.
Right.
So we can finally put it to bed. But you're done riding at that point. I bet he takes it.
Are you paying attention to his socials at all? So a lot of this stuff is coming a little sideways. So like we've done a bunch of work with Alpine Stars recently. So the Alpine Stars feed is hitting my Instagram feed more frequently.
Yeah.
I swear 2/3 of Marc Marquez posts are him playing with his dog.
Yeah.
On the right. And I'm like, dude, like, win if you want to win. Go hang out with your gorgeous wife and your dog if that's what you want to do.
I don't think he's married yet. I think it's his girlfriend.
Whatever. Like, they're together.
But again, just like Honda, I'm sure she'd sign if the offer was available right now.
For sure, right? And it's like, like it's different in Europe. Marriage is less of a thing.
Yeah,
I mean, kids these days, marriage is less of a thing. And no criticism, right? Yeah. Like, but he seems so happy, like, in his backfield of his whatever estate, and he's hanging out with this little brown border collie thing that he rescued, which is the most charming thing you've seen in a long time. I wish him the best, whatever he chooses to do.
Well, and if he was just coming to the races to support Alex, like I can picture that in my mind already.
Oh, you can. That's a good movie plot line.
Oh, yeah. So anyway, I don't know if you heard it here first. I don't know if this is for sure happening, but just watching how this season is playing out right now, I'm positive he's got thoughts in the back of his mind of, do I want another contract?
And do I really want to keep doing this? Like, do I really need to keep? He doesn't need to. He's proved.
Yeah.
What?
Like I said, other than getting the 10th World Championship, I don't think he's got a thing left to prove.
I don't want to put words in anybody's mouth, but Marc Marquez, based on his character and every interview I've seen or other people talking about him, I don't know if I think he seems emotionally more stable than to have to get that 10th to beat Rossi. Like, if he's satisfied, I think he could just step back and be happy as a clam.
I don't think he won't be happy, but I think just from afar, getting the last punch in this fight is, I think that matters.
Well, and let's go back to like your original statement.
Yeah.
He's still the favorite to win this year. We're only 2 rounds in. Yeah.
So I think once we get to more normal tracks, hopefully his shoulder comes back to him.
I hope so. Yeah.
And I hope this theory is completely wrong in a month.
It's just podcast fuel.
And he's already signed, and he's rocking and rolling again. He's going to be totally fine. Because I would also love to go see him be, the best rider in the past era, in this era, and then in the next era. I would love to see him succeed in all these different forms. I won't be shocked if we get another 3 rounds in and he still hasn't signed, and suddenly it's like, I think this is it. I think this is the last season.